Doing crunches in every ab workout can get boring quickly, which is why we recommend switching up your routine and trying new, challenging moves. Bicycle crunches are a great way to target the rectus abdomens, the six-pack muscles, and the obliques in one easy exercise. How to do the bicycle crunch. Start by lying on the ground, with your lower back pressed flat into the floor and your head and shoulders raised slightly above it. Place your hands lightly on the sides of your head, don't knit your fingers behind. Be careful not to yank your head with your hands at any point during the exercise. Lift one leg just off the ground and extend it out. Lift the other leg and bend your knee towards your chest. As you do so, twist through your core so the opposite arm comes towards the raised knee. You don't need to touch the elbow to knee, instead focus on moving through your core as you turn your torso. Your elbow should stay in the same position relative to your head throughout. The turn that brings it closer to the knee comes from your core. It might be best to think shoulder to the knee as you move, rather than the elbow to knee. Lower your leg and arm at the same time while bringing up the opposite two limbs to mirror the movement. Keep on alternating sides until you've managed 10 reps on each, aiming for 3 sets of 10 in total, or add the bicycle crunch into circuit training and just keep going for as long as the timer runs. Make this exercise as your daily routine, and your abs will blow up. We upload daily videos to show you the best way to get a healthy, nice body shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.